Class, welcome to week 11. In this lesson, we are going to go over the landing page optimization and basic search engine optimization. So the operative word this week is optimization and optimizing your website for a good customer experience and to be found easily. So let's first start with your landing page optimization. This plays directly into Project 4, as one of the things you'll need to do for that project is make adjustments to your landing page. Your landing page is the page that a potential client will arrive on after they click on one of your advertisements. So it should not be your home page. This should be a unique page of your website for each advertisement that you run. And a landing page is really the first test of your integrity as a company. Each potential customer is going to assess your integrity as a company, meaning, do I trust this entity enough to make a purchase, or to visit the website? Are they going to have what I need? Because in your advertisement, you've made a commitment, and you've made some promise, some commitment that's caught their eye, and they've clicked on it. And now they're going to see, and they're going to assess if you can deliver on what you committed to in the advertisement. And that's what the landing page is about. In essence, it is, can you deliver on what you committed to in your advertisement? And so that's why you want it to be a distinct landing page. If they get to your home page, they're going to see a lot of different things about your company. And in reality, in an advertisement, you want to make a specific commitment, and in your landing page, you want to deliver on that commitment. So there's a video that will walk you through the basics of landing page, and some readings that will walk you through that as well. Essentially, you want your potential customer to get to what they are looking for as fast as possible. If you've committed that you're going to deliver an excellent pair of shoes, you want that immediately visible with a button to purchase those shoes right away. So that's you can really customize these landing pages to exactly what you're offering in your advertisement. So after going through this, you'll open up a Word document and explain a change you would make on one of your landing pages to increase conversions. Make sure you support your recommendation with quotes from the readings, and then analyze one of your landing pages and just give an open and honest assessment. So that will be it for your landing page assignment. The second assignment we have is basic SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization. And so far we've done a lot with search engine marketing, SEM, and those are the advertisements on Google at the top of your search results. SEO, it deals with the organic search results, so the search results that are just after the advertisements. If you scroll down a bit, you'll get into links to websites. This is also known as organic search results. And essentially, Google sends out what they call bots to every site online. And these crawlers or bots will crawl across the website, gather information, and bring it back to Google. And Google will organize all of that into their archives. And so when you search for something, based on that feedback from those crawlers, Google will present search results. So your purpose in search engine optimization is to tell Google, tell those bots or crawlers, what your website is about, so that when people search certain keywords, your website will pop up. And the higher up you are in these search results, the more visitors you'll get, because obviously people tend to click on the first, second, or third search result most of the time. Fortunately, Google will be open on where you rank on this, so you can commonly see how successful you are in search engine optimization. Their actual algorithm is a highly guarded secret, but they do constantly give guidance and advice on how you can improve. The basic overview of search engine optimization is simply be authentic. You don't want to pack your site with keywords because you think those bots or crawlers will pull it off and say, oh, well, they mentioned this keyword a lot, we better increase their ranking. Google has become very adept at this, and they want good quality, authentic content. And so this video and these readings will walk you through in more detail what you can do to rank highly on search engines. And then in your Word document, you can explain these 5 best things you can do to improve your site, and make sure you explain your reasoning on each. Then choose a keyword that you want to optimize for each for 3 pages of your website. And then we have this backlink checker. Briefly, I'll explain backlinks because they're so crucial to search engine optimization. That's when another site has a link on their site pointed to your website. And we'll do an activity on this later in the semester on how to increase these or how to develop them, because it's likely, since you just started your website, that you don't have any. But those backlinks are important because the more backlinks you have pointing to your website, the more Google will see you as an authority on a certain subject. And Google sees a lot of people pointing to your website and they're saying, okay, we need to take this website seriously. They need to rank higher up because other people are pointing to this website and citing it as something or someone important in this certain keyword or in this field or in this product. So those backlinks are a key portion of your search engine optimization. And again, we'll do a full activity on that later in the semester. Right now, it's okay if you go to this backlink checker and you have 0 or 1. It's just good to know how to check how many links you have. And then there's some additional readings. I highly encourage you to go the extra mile on this assignment, just because search engine optimization is such a great way to get your website out there. Besides the time you put into this, it's free. You don't have to pay for search engine optimization. You can do it on your own. Google tries to be as transparent as possible to give everybody an equal shot. And so obviously the big companies are very good at this. They employ people to do this. But the way Google has this set up, I believe gives a chance for a lot of people to rank high on certain keywords on search engine results. So that will be it for this week. I hope you're continuing to work on Project 4. You'll have your discussion board, your reflection, and then notice down here, Student Evaluator of Instructor. Please take time to fill that out. I would love your feedback. I make changes every semester based on student feedback, and so that is really important to me as an instructor, to hear from you and to know what I can do better, what's working for you in the course, what's not working for you in the course, and that will hopefully improve the course for other students that come after you. But I really welcome your feedback and insights on the course. It means a lot to me, and I try again every semester to put in practice what I hear on those student evaluations. Thanks everyone, and please reach out if you've got questions this week.